hell is spinning?
I know.
It doesn't matter if it's windy. Ah, golf cart.
Skydiving!
As close as you can. There's a plane.
You see anything?
I see a plane. That's what I see.
I don't see it. Zoom in, Will.
I can't. Can't zoom in.
going like that runway.
Yes.
That's the runway. It's gonna turn down that way and go there.
Yeah, get closer as far as I can reach out. Go kart.
Go kart.
Yeah, they're gonna circle down there and then they're gonna take off.
Looks like a very
Oh look,
successful place.
Ab, you can see like the runway. Clearly, the plane's going around the corner.
Yeah, the runway's right there. Mom said that
Okay, and move. I want to get the best view.
Mom said that they went down there and then went back this way and flew that way.
Really? They have awesome Wi-Fi here. If you need updates, do it now.
I don't even have my iPod.
You don't?
No, I don't.
I'm 6B. Wait, they're going the other way?
See, I told you they were.
Oh, I thought they were going to the right. Huh, I guess not. Oh, they're gonna circle around. Oh yeah, I guess so. Can't really even see the plane on the camera.
Dude, I wish we were here to see Dad do this. Yeah, you can't see anymore. We did for 3 days and Dad jumps out of a plane.
You're gonna... No, they wouldn't allow you.
I know.
Take off?
Yeah, I was gonna.
No, I
See,
didn't.
they're going all the way down that way. We have to.
Guys, and they're turning around. They're coming back this way. They need to gain speed. That's why. That's why the plane went down that way. They need to gain speed. Okay, at least.
Down there, but it's gonna come
And they
back.
need to gain at least 80 miles an hour. The plane's gonna crash into the grass.
I don't know if I can see it on the camera, but
Yeah,
I
well,
see it come. Gaining speed.
a good 40 miles probably right now.
Back there.
I've been recording for like 3 minutes and just waiting for the plane to take off. Okay, it's up to like, yeah.
It's going fast. Probably lose sight of it. And there we go.
Yeah, they're gonna circle around.
It's gonna circle around, but you probably can't see it anymore.
Yeah, on the camera I can't see it.